Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create an infinite logo carousel in a Wix Studio. So this is an example. Okay, so we are going to do this one step by step. So you just have to open a new tab, then make sure that you have logged into your Wix account. Okay, so to check that, just click on your profile right here at the top right. Then after that, you'll be able to see here the different options. So just click on create new site and then click on studio template or studio blank canvas. Okay, so for this video I am going to create an infinite logo carousel using my existing site. So I'm just going to click on the sites right here, and right here as you can see I have so many sites for videos, and then right here I am going to select this one. Okay, so just click on edit site and it'd be directed to your site. So what you're going to do here is you have a choice to decide if where are you going to put your logo carousel. So for this one, I'm going to put my logo carousel at the very top of the first page. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. So to do that, just click on this plus icon at the top left and then just click on the image, or you can also drag and drop it right here. Then after that, you will then just have to resize this image template. Okay, and then I'm going to place it right here. Then the next thing that you should do is to resize it once again, and then just click on the change image, and then you can upload media or image from your computer, of course. But for this one, I'm just going to use media from Wix. So I'm just going to use the search bar and search for logo. Okay, so let me just find the logo that I'm going to use. So this one, and just click on update. So now that we have our logo right here, next thing that we should do is to copy and paste or duplicate this image. So you can duplicate this as much as you want. So I think I'm going to duplicate this to 10. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just remember, if you are going to duplicate your logo, make sure that they have the same distance. Of course, their alignment should be correct. So if you're planning to add a logo carousel on your Wix Studio, so it will display partners, clients, or brand affiliations, which adds credibility and enhances the professional look of your site. So the next thing that you should do is we have to stack them together. So just make sure to press and hold your shift key on your keyboard, and then just have to select each one by one. Then you'd be able to see this option, the stack option. So you just have to simply click on this one after selecting all of the images or logos. So yeah, Carousel saves space by showing multiple logos in a rotating format rather than a static grid, so keeping your design clean and uncluttered. So now that we already stuck this logos together, next is click on it and then click on this arrow at the top right, and you'd be able to see the standard option or the standard logo or simply the animations and effects. So just click on it and click on the loop option. So you just have to expand this one, and then animations will play in loop. So just click on add and then make sure to select across. That's right. And then after that, you'll be able to see here at the very top, we have an infinite logo carousel. We can also adjust the animations. Then right here, we can adjust the durations, and then of course the repeat delay, and then the direction. Of course, we have from left, from right, from top, and then from bottom. So you just have to select it. Then after that, you can click on preview and see the animation. Now the next thing we should do is we have to duplicate this once again. Okay, so you just have to move it to our left and then click on it and then copy and paste, and then the other one we are going to put it right here at the right side. Okay, so just have to drag it. Let me just adjust this one. Okay, so now that they're ready, we just have to drag it right here at the right side. Then after that, let us preview these logos. Okay, so just click on this preview option at the very top, then just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we have an infinite logo carousel at the top of the first page or the first section. Now, what we're going to do next is we can actually add an infinite logo carousel to the different sections of this page. Okay, so this is our home page. So to do that, we can also copy and paste this one, or if you want to move this stock images, so you can do that as well. So you can also adjust the distances of this image. Okay, so you just have to go here and then just click on that option. Now you can also select horizontal or vertical, but of course we are going to use the horizontal one. Okay, so let me just undo this actions. So the next thing that we should do now is to try to add this infinite logo carousel to the different location of this page. And with that, what you're going to do is to simply copy and paste it once again. And of course, they provide a dynamic element to your website, so making it visually engaging and interactive, which can improve the visitor's experience. And it's mobile friendly. Wix logo carousels are responsive, so they adjust to fit mobile screens effectively, ensuring a seamless experience across devices. And for the customizations, Wix, of course, offers customization options for carousels, allowing you to adjust layout, speed, and size to match your website designs and branding. So for the SEO benefits, when implemented correctly, the logo carousels can contribute to SEO by keeping users engaged on your site longer, which can reduce bounce rates and signal relevance to search engines. And you don't have to worry because it can easily updatable. So Wix makes it easy to update the carousel by adding or removing logos as partnerships change, keeping your website up to date with minimal effort. And if your business works with seasonal partners, sponsors, or event specific collaborators, a carousel can quickly adapt to features relevant logos during specific times. And of course, a logo carousel can be a subtle way to tell your brand story, showing growth or evolution over time by featuring notable partnerships or clients. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.